Hello guys, I'm Rans Patrick Bayas and I'm a licensed financial advisor here in Manulife, Philippines. So for sure, naghahanap kayo ng pinakamurang term insurance na pwede nyong maidagdag sa plan ninyo, or kung ang ginagawa nyo strategy ay BTID strategy or buy term, invest the difference. So para sa'yo itong video na to. So malalaman ninyo kung ano nga ba itong cheapest term insurance in the market, and as low as 700 pesos monthly, magkano na ba yung coverage? So tara, tingnan natin. So, ito na nga yung term insurance na sinasabi ko. Ang pangalan is Manulife React 5. Ito ay 5-year renewable and convertible term insurance. Ang maganda dito, kunwari for now, ito lang yung budget mo. Pero in the future, gusto mo magkaroon ng whole life plan or VUL plan. So, pwede mo siya i-convert anytime without proof of insurability. Ibig sabihin kung ano yung health condition mo nung kinuha mo tong term insurance na to or itong Manulife React 5, ito yung magiging basis nung magiging future plan mo kung i-convert mo itong plan na to. At ang renewal niya is every 5 years. Ibig sabihin, every 5 years lang tataas yung premium niya. So, di ba? Isa yon sa mga maganda dito sa plan na to. At mamaya makikita nyo kung ano-ano ba yung mga supplementary benefits na pwede nating idagdag dito sa plan na to. So, talagang makikita ninyo na napaka-comprehensive ng mga benefits dito, at higit sa lahat, napakamura lang nung premium nito or yung babayaran natin for the plan. So itong sample na to ay ang base plan ng Manulife React 5 on itong term insurance namin. So ang profile ng client na nilagay natin dito for sample is male and 30 years old. So syempre health dito, kaya standard lang yung ating plan. So ang minimum na life insurance is 1.5 million, and then may kasama na siyang accidental death and total disability waiver, which is package yan na sa plan. So ang accidental death is also 1.5 million, and then total disability waiver. So alam na naman natin yung waiver kung every 5 years yung contract, kung halimbawa ang client 1 year pala nagbabayad na permanently disabled. So yung remaining 4 years waive na, Manulife na yung bahala. So isipin ninyo sa halagang 8,562 yearly, or kung i-divide natin yan into 12, that's 712 pesos lang monthly. Meron ka ng coverage na 1.5 million life insurance or total of 3 million protection with waiver. So if makikita ninyo dyan, yan yung pag-increase dyan sa may picture, yung pag-increase nung payment. So, every 5 years lang. So, kung gusto nyo ng malaking coverage ng plan pero mura lang yung babayaran nyo dahil hindi papasok sa budget yung mga whole life or VUL plan, or ginagawa mo yung BTID strategy, so bagay na bagay sa'yo itong term insurance na to. So, tingnan naman natin kung paano naman kung halimbawa ginawa mong comprehensive o dinamihan mo yung mga additional benefits or yung mga supplementary benefits ng plan na to. So, tingnan natin. So ito na yung comprehensive naman na term insurance o na Manulife React 5. So dinagdagan natin ng maraming supplementary benefits, and then at the same time tinaasan natin yung life insurance from 1.5 million to 2 million. So 2 million yung React 5 peso, yung katapat niyan yan yung life insurance 2 million, and then accidental death benefit is 2 million. So if ang client nawala due to accident, ang total na makukuha ng family is 4 million. Pero meron din tayong Maximax Plan 4. O itong Maximax Plan 4 is to say para siyang personal accident. Anything related sa accident, like na-hospitalize ka, na permanently disabled, na temporary disabled, kunyari 6 months kang di makapag-work kasi nasimentahan yung paa mo or na bracket yung braso mo, may matatanggap ka mga allowances. So napakaganda niyang Maximax Plan 4 for accidental insurance. So kung halimbawa namatay din ang client due to accident, may dagdag pa na 1 million from Maximax Plan 4. So medyo malawak yung Maximax, sobrang daming benefits. Then, enhanced critical illness rider, 16 na critical illness rider na yung cover nito. Syempre, hindi mawawala yung top 3, stroke, heart attack, and then cancer. And then, syempre, included dyan mga end-stage lung disease, chronic kidney disease, ganun. And then, total disability waiver. So, nabanggit ko na naman kanina kung ano siya. And then, hospital income benefit natin is 1,000 per day. Then, double siya or 2,000 per day kung dreaded disease ang cost ng hospitalization, or tripled or 3,000 per day kung ICU room naka-confine si client. So, base pa lang yan, yung hospital income na 1,000, pwede natin gawin yung 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, then madodoubled and matitripled pa. So, isipin ninyo sa ganitong plan, halos more than 2,000 pesos lang yung monthly niya kung i-divide natin yung 25,627 pesos. Pero yung coverage mo, 4, 5, 6, 6 million mahigit yung coverage mo for this plan. So, di ba, napakalawak na nung coverage. Kaya, ideal din naman talaga ang term insurance kung ang purpose mo lang is to be protected. So, kung gusto mo ibukod yung investment mo, pwede kang try mag-open ng mutual fund, UITF, or kung yung iba, ang gusto daw nila sa MP2 na lang, or yung iba nagda-direct sa stock market, basta knowledgeable ka na. And then, so, yung iba sa mga REITs. So, yun, pwede natin i-explore ang BTID o Buy Term Invest the Difference. Pero mostly, na-advise ko sa client ko, yung term insurance, kung okay lang na, syempre, okay yun. Kung mag-BTID ka, kung may knowledge ka naman about that. And then, kung talagang mamamanage mo na maayos. Pero kung halimbawa naman, pwede mo rin gawin, meron kang whole life plan muna para kumbaga natapos mo yun ng 10 years, edi meron ka ng guaranteed plan na never na mawawala until age 100. Or VUL plan kung mako-consider mo siya. Or ang suggest ko, ang term insurance, pwede mong i-add-ons doon sa mga existing plan mo. Or pwede rin naman ito lang yung plan mo. Or pwede lang naman ito na muna dahil ito lang yung pasok sa budget. Dahil mura pero malaki yung coverage. So yun lang, hopefully naintindihan nyo itong Manulife Act 5. So again, every 5 years nag increase yung premium. So and nalimutan ko pala sabihin, renewable to until age 85. So, until age 85, kung 30 pa lang ngayon ng client, until age 85, mako-cover siya nitong plan na to kung hanggat nagre-renew siya. So, anytime, pwede mong i-convert itong term insurance na to, pero sorry, until age 65 lang, pwede mag-convert. So, kunyari, naisipan mo at 40, convert to sa whole life plan, sa comprehensive health plan, which is Health Flex, or sa VUL plan, or any plans na gusto mo, endowment plan, so napakaraming plan na pwedeng pagpilian here in Manulife. So, yun lang, and thank you po sa pakikinig. So, if may question kayo or may inquiries kayo or gusto nyo ng sample quotation for your age, so i-PM nyo lang po ako, i-email nyo lang ako, nandyan naman yung email sa description box and even dito sa video, nandyan din yung phone number and then even yung Facebook account ko. So yun lang po and thank you.